Hi guys, what's up? It's Charla here from That Girl Cooks Healthy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious cassava pone. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this cassava pone and you are going to love it as much as I do. So now I'm just going to list the ingredients that you need to make your cassava pone. I didn't include any raisins because we don't really like to add raisins to our pone, but I know so many people that add raisins to their pone. So you're more than welcome to add the raisins to your pone. I'm also using some vegan butter as well, and I'm using cane sugar as well, which is more healthier than brown sugar. You can also use coconut sugar as well if you want to. So first of all, you want to add your cane sugar, and then you want to add all of your spices as well to the bowl. And now you want to add your coconut milk, which is mixed with your almond milk, and you just want to pour half of that in to begin with. You don't want to use all of it at the same time. And now you just want to give that a quick whisk. Just make sure everything is incorporated. And then we're gonna add our vanilla next. And we just want to give that another stir again. So we're just gonna whisk that all in and make sure it's incorporated again. Now it's time to add our melted butter, and again we're just going to mix that all in and just give it another quick stir to make sure everything is mixed together evenly. And now we're gonna add all of the pumpkin, and we're just gonna mix all of that in as well. So we just scoop it all out. Just take all of it out the bowl, and we're just gonna mix that in. So you give it a quick mix. And now I'm gonna add my shredded coconut. If you have fresh coconut, you're more than welcome to use that. And I'm just gonna whisk that in as well. And now we're just gonna add the grated cassava, and you just wanna make sure all of it is added. And now we're just gonna mix all of that together. So usually when I'm doing this now, I will do this for at least a minute or so, because I really want to make sure that the pumpkin and all of the other ingredients are mixed together with the cassava. And I'm also adding the rest of the milk as well, so you want to make sure all of those ingredients together are completely combined. It will take a while to get it to mix together. My arm was actually hurting halfway through doing it, but this is the great way to make sure that the cassava is fully incorporated and you're not going to have any uneven distribution of the mixture. So now I'm just taking a spoon and I'm going to do the same thing again, but I'm going to scoop from the bottom of the bowl just to make sure that everything is completely incorporated, because you don't really want to have some coconut mixed at the bottom and then you may have maybe some pumpkin mixed somewhere else. So I really make sure that everything is completely combined. This is optional, but this is what I like to do, and I just make sure that everything is good to go. Now I'm just gonna add the cassava to an oven proof dish. So this is what my cassava looks like fresh out of the oven, and mine actually took an hour and 30 minutes to bake. And you know that the cassava is ready because you use a knife, and when you just insert the knife it should come out clean or mostly clean. So you see mine is clean, so I'm good to go. So my cassava is ready. You want to wait for this to cool down before you cut into it as well, guys. So this is the cassava pone ready to be eaten. Let me know if you are a cassava fan too. If it's your first time trying it, I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.